Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you took your time out and clicked onto my video. Thank you so much. While you're here, please also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're wondering what's up with my voice, I've kind of been sick for over a week now and I've kind of lost my voice. But anyway, I'm actually getting ready to go out on a dinner date with Sean and this is what I'm wearing. I actually wanted to put my hair into a pony, but this is the next situation and a tie-up won't look that good and my hair is not looking the best today for me to leave it open. So I was thinking of doing something with my hair and I remembered that I have this which was actually sent to me by a brand for an ad campaign, but then we had to drop the campaign, so we're not doing it anymore. But since I have this product, I thought why not make use of it and see how it is and give you a small review if any of you is planning on buying this. So let's go. I haven't still opened it. This is my first time using it. So yeah, this is how the box looks like. And this is how the product looks like. I really love the purple lilac color that is on the inside. So this is Philips hair straightening brush. It gives you like a nice blowoutish kind of straight hair and it's said to do it in like 5 minutes. So we're gonna test it out. First off, it has a swivel cord which I really like and it has 2 heat settings. It does not show any temperature. It just has like these 2 modes. And yeah, it has like a pretty good length wire. I'm just gonna detangle my hair slightly because I don't want too much hair breakage. I'm not sure if the product will detangle your hair. I don't want to take any risks. And this is the hair that we're gonna work with. I'm just gonna switch it on to the highest heat mode and leave it for some time so it heats up a little bit before I put it on my hair. Anyway, oh, before that, I'm gonna apply a little bit of heat protectant. I'm using the BBlunt heat protectant hair mist. This is my favorite. I'm just gonna nicely spray it everywhere. I'm not sure how much heat damage it does to your hair, but using a heat protectant is always better. I'm just gonna comb it again to spread the product. Let's go, it should be hot enough. The one thing I really love about this is that you don't get accidental burns, which happens with a straightener, and you don't need a separate brush to straighten your hair. So I'm taking the first section. I'm really excited to see how this goes. Oh, it's really hot, which is good. You just have to like comb through your hair, which makes it really easy actually. I'm not sure if it is giving like pitch straight hair that straightener gives, but this is pretty good. It looks natural. My mirror is like quite far away, so I'm really not able to see, but I'm able to see to some extent, and I think it is straight. See, I'm like literally touching here and it's not doing anything. I'm just gonna do the top part now. See, again, no burns at all. Like, I can't even feel the heat on my scalp. You know, when you use a straightener so close to your scalp, you can feel the heat on your scalp. Like, I can't even feel the heat on my scalp. It's literally just like brushing your hair. Wow, I love that. This is the difference. It took me hardly any time. On to the next side now. These are quite big sections. It's literally done. It was that easy. It took like hardly what 5 or 10 minutes and it's done. It's straight. It's so straight. It's not like pitch straight like straighteners do, but it's like a bouncy blow dryish kind of straight, which looks really natural, and I kind of like this more. And all I had to do was brush through my hair like I normally brush through my hair. That was like so simple and easy. Anyway, now that we know how the product works, now coming to the pros and cons. The pros are that it gets really hot really quickly and gets things done very quickly. You do not need a separate brush and a straightener to straighten this, and you do not get any accidental cuts. The best part I really love about this is the design is very simple, just like your regular hairbrush, and you have to use use it like your regular hairbrush. It's not heavy, nor is the handle too big, which when you use for a longer time, your hand and your wrist starts to hurt. That is not the case with this. So that's definitely there. The cons are that you can do only one hairstyle with this, which is straight, and it's a bit pricey. It's like 4K, given it can do only one hairstyle. If you can find this product on sale for a lesser price, I think it's worth giving a shot. And especially if you're someone who straightens your hair on a regular basis, you want to get things done quickly and you just want to leave, then you can consider this. I'm not really sure about the stay. Maybe I'll check in with you guys tomorrow to see how long it stays or how well it stays. Actually out right now, so I'm not sure if you can hear me, but this is how my hair is looking, and I think it's pretty good. Even with a regular straightener, I think your hair will take a little bit of its own shape. So this is pretty good actually. Can you see? It's pretty straight actually. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, it's bye from Ashmita.